Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Wine and Wellness Wednesday. I'm Lindsay Brantley. I am the founder of Camellia Alise Skincare as well as the Camellia Alise Academy. And this is the Wine and Wellness Skincare edition, guys. So I want to first toast to each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all have your glass of wine while y'all are joining me today. Before I even get started, I'm in my spa today and the sun is right in my eyes. So really quickly, I'm going to adjust the blinds. So y'all give me 1 second. All right, sorry for that interlude, but I couldn't do this whole segment with the sun in my eyes. So I hope you guys are each having an amazing Wednesday so far. And today we are going to be doing definitely the skincare edition, but the razor bump edition. I probably should have started Wine and Wellness Wednesday with this topic, but I actually was online, and if you know me, you know that I am a born researcher. I am always looking at new trends in my industry, what people like, what they don't like. What are people trying nowadays for razor bumps, because I feel like I developed my product for a reason, right? But I was online today, and today of all days, right before Wine and Wellness Wednesday, I was online and I was on Allure's website, and this came up. So I'm going to show you guys this article so y'all can see what I saw. I hope y'all can see it well, okay? So it says, sorry, my ring light is in the way. But it says TikTok is obsessed with a $3 magic shaving cream, but is it safe? Okay, so part of the reason that I started my skincare business in the beginning was because my stepdad, my grandfather, all these men in my life grew up using Magic Shave. It's nothing new, but it's not really good for your skin. Let me just say that. The main ingredient is a calcium triglycode or something like that. But the main ingredient is made to, it's a chemical that's made to break up the bonds of your hair. It's a depilatory, so it uses some of the similar depilatories that you would see in Nair or Veet, but it's not good for you. It's a chemical-based product, and for those of you guys who are just joining us, we are talking right now about razor bumps. And like I said, I was on Allure and saw that there was this article about Magic Shave and this $3 miracle hair removal product, and is it safe? Now, Magic Shave has been around since, I don't know, the 40s or 50s. It's been around a very long time, and especially for black men who dealt with razor bumps, who dealt with skin irritation. They could not shave their skin with a traditional razor, so they used Magic Shave. I mean, that is where Magic Shave came from. But I created my product to be an alternative to Magic Shave. You shouldn't have to put a bunch of chemicals on your skin. You shouldn't have to burn your skin. Like, if you've ever used Magic Shave, if you have any skin sensitivities, I can tell you right now, it's gonna burn the crap out of your skin. And it can actually cause more irritation. If you are prone to skin sensitivity, the chemicals that are used in these products are so strong, guys, that, I mean, they really do burn your skin. So I wanted to just kind of talk about, obviously, some alternatives, talk about our products, why we created them, and what the alternative is. Now, first of all, I never, ever want my clients to use any products that have a bunch of alcohol in them or a bunch of chemicals in them to remove their hair. That's why we started with a natural, alcohol-free product to alleviate the razor bumps, because a lot of people were looking for something that didn't have alcohol. It wouldn't dry out their skin. It wouldn't burn their skin every time they used it. And so all of a sudden, I guess TikTok has made Magic Shave and some other alternatives popular again. But I would say, before you try a product like that, look for a natural product that does not have alcohol in it. Alcohol is going to dry out your skin. There's 3 main ingredients in this product. Like I said, one of the products is going to break the bonds of your hair. And then one of the other products is there to help to regulate your pH, because it's so, the products can be so acidic or irritating to your skin that you don't want, to deal with all the irritation. So you don't want to expose your skin to something that's going to throw your pH completely off. So there are some chemicals in here that are put in here to regulate your pH. So I would definitely just say stay away from depilatory creams, stay away from alcohol-based products. Any product, I'll tell you, like these products will have a warning that'll say, you can't shave for the next 24 hours, or, it could cause skin sensitivity, could cause breakouts. There are some products, guys, I'm not going to just go in on a bunch of different skincare products, but there are some razor bump products that literally say on the bottle, if accidentally dropped on furniture, could cause discoloration. Why would you use that on your face? If there's a warning on your product that says it is so strong that it's going to take the color out of your fabric, why is that something that you want to use on your face when you are trying to get rid of bumps, right? The whole point of getting rid of these razor bumps is the irritation, right? The bacteria buildup that is around those razor bumps. You should be doing your best to try to naturally alleviate those things, not put stuff in it that's going to dry your skin out, burn your skin, and ultimately make your skin more susceptible to more irritation, okay? Our products are definitely a alternative to that, and so we do have, it's a 3-step process. You don't have to use all 3 steps, especially if you're the guy or the lady that uses like the clippers or something. Then you would use the pre-shave scrub, which you're gonna scrub your full face, your bikini area, underarm. You would use the scrub first, then you would use a shave cream with the razor if you're using a razor. If not, you skip that step. If you're waxing or something, you use the pre-shave scrub. And after you wax, after you shave, whatever you do, you're gonna use the post-shave oil. So it's simple 3 steps or 2 steps if you're not using a razor. But the products are natural, they're alcohol-free. They do kill the bacteria on your face just like some of these other products do, because part of the reason we get razor bumps is from bacteria buildup inside our pores. So we do get razor bumps from bacteria. So our products have alternatives and natural cleansers, essential oils, things that will kill bacteria, but they're not gonna dry out your skin like alcohol will. So I just want to caution each and every one of you, like I said, if you are reading a product and the product says, don't drop on furniture or may cause discoloration, don't use a razor with this, may cause irritation, may cause skin sensitivities, that's not the product that you want to be using on your face. You want to use something, first of all, that has ingredients that you can pronounce, that is simple, and that does an effective job, period. That's what you should be looking for in any skincare product. I don't care if you're trying to battle wrinkles, if you're trying to battle acne, like you should be looking for something that's effective but simple. You don't need 50 ingredients on a jar for it to be effective. So I hope that that makes sense. And I hope that you guys got a little bit out of that. And so before I move on, for those of you who joined us later, I'm gonna do just a screenshot to show y'all what I'm talking about again. So I was on Allure's website today, and I found this article that says, that TikTok is obsessed with this $3 shaving powder, but is it safe? And so the article, you can definitely look it up. I'm always looking at new things, like what are other people in my industry doing? So I'm always researching different, hair removal, like how can I work with some of the other solutions that are there? But I will say, if you can help it, stay away from some of the depilatories, some of the alcohol-based razor bump products that will, contribute to more irritation and more dryness. So I hope that answers your questions. Yes, definitely. Yes, have your son, try out some of our products, and, definitely let me know what you think. And then, of course, for all of our viewers out there, we do giveaways every other week, hint, hint. So if you're interested in trying some of the products out, y'all need to be going and sharing the post so that y'all can win some free products to try out as well. In addition to talking about that, I, of course, let me take another sip of wine, but it's Wine and Wellness Wednesday. So I hope that you guys are enjoying your glass of wine while y'all are listening to me talk. And then as you guys are listening, if you have any questions, any specific questions, please let me know. I'm here to answer as many of those questions as I can in this segment. But what I was saying about the magic shave, though, like I said, it's been around for centuries, and this article that I looked up that I was talking to you guys about, it's gotten thousands of reviews. And if you go on TikTok and you look up this shave cream, there's a lot of people talking about it. But there's a lot more people who are not talking about it when they're using it. They're allergic to one of the ingredients. There's skin irritation that can come along with it. So I just say no to the depilatories. Look for something that's a more natural fit for you. So if you have questions on that, let me know. The other thing I just wanted to kind of touch on with you guys, of course, we always talk skincare and self-care. So I just want to know how everybody's doing out there. We have made it halfway through the week. Here in Houston, the COVID numbers are still going crazy. So we are still kind of honing in and trying to stay safe, keep our masks on. I'm in the spa where it's nice and quiet by myself today, so of course I don't have my mask on. But I hope that you guys are staying safe and taking some of the tips from the previous videos and, looking for ways to lessen your anxiety, increase your sleep time, increasing your movements. I hope that all of that is kind of helping you guys out. Really, that's all I had for you guys today. If nobody has any questions, I'm going to jump off. And of course, every week I'll come back and talk to you guys a little bit more. But when I saw that article, I was like, okay, I got to jump on and share this with everybody and, let them know that, hey, it may be popular and it may be cheap. That's the other thing. It's a very cheap product, but that does not always mean that it's safe and that it's what's best for your skin. So I hope that you guys got something out of it. And then when we come back next week, I will talk to you guys a little bit more about self-care and skincare. And if there's a topic that you want me to touch on, please, DM me, email me, let me know, and we'll go a little bit further into it. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you guys next Wednesday. In addition, guys, I will be going live on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Central Time with @Mimi Urban. We're going to be talking about Got STEM Style is a platform that she's developed for people like me who have an engineering degree and then decided to go into aesthetics. So we're going to be talking about my journey, a little bit about her journey and how she went from, corporate to fashionista. So that's going to be live on Saturday at 10 a.m. So I hope that you guys can tune in and listen to that as well. So until then, I will talk to you guys next Wednesday or Saturday morning. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for joining.